Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shaivya. So I wish you've had a great Diwali and I wish you have a prosperous new year. So recently I was surfing through Pinterest for different DIY ideas. Udhar I found a glass display box. They were very beautiful. They were decorated very beautifully and I looked through some of the websites to check out the prices. They were pretty expensive. So I thought, why not create my own display box? And I picked up these frames from Dollar Tree and I thought we can use the glasses that are inside these frames and create my own display box. Let's see how this one comes out. For this one I have picked out 4 5x7 frames from Dollar Tree. I did pick these bamboo skewers from Dollar Tree and these wooden dowels from Dollar Tree. I was not sure when you combine these, So I was not sure कि जब हम इन दोनों wooden frames को combine करेंगे or maybe I'll just remove the frames and I'll use the glass. तो जब इन दोनों glass को combine करेंगे तो what thickness of the wooden stick will look beautiful. So that's why I picked both of them and I really don't know which one I'm going to use. So let's see and which one looks beautiful. Actually, these wooden glasses are giving me different ideas as well. This just clicked me another DIY idea. I'll show you in my next video. So you see these small remains of glue on a few of the edges. There's nothing on this one. There's nothing on this one. But yes, there is a few remains on this one. These can be easily removed. So I'm using this acetone, the nail paint remover, to remove these glue marks. Well, I sounded very confident जब मैंने बोला कि ये बहुत आसानी से निकल जाएगा. Because I always thought that acetone is a good solution for removing these kind of stains. So कुछ और try करना पड़ेगा. So what I plan to do is keep one of them there and keeping the corners intact. And I'm going to hot glue them. Okay. So what we can do is pick this one up and keep it like this. मुझे डिसाइड करना है कि मैं इसकी एजेस पे पतले 2 स्क्यूअर्स लगाऊं या एक वुडन टॉवल लगाऊं. Well, I believe keeping one at the corner won't suffice. अगर मैं ये एक इस साइड लगाऊंगी तो इससे मुझे एक फ़ायदा होगा कि जो एक्स्ट्रा ग्लू इधर वाली साइड्स पे है वो छुप जाएगा. Take a pencil. Measure. I've got all the skewers of this size. You spray paint all these black using Rust-Oleum paint and primer flat black.